Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new for the first time. Today I have got a Target haul for you guys, and I went to the Target dollar spot really looking for a lot of fall and Halloween items, and I think I found some really good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys in random order. Like I said, most of the things that I found are either fall or Halloween items, and I may have gotten a few items that aren't specifically fall or Halloween, but that's what the majority are. So I actually took two different trips to Target. I am looking for those pillows that they're selling in the Target dollar spot. My store still hasn't gotten them, or if they did, they already sold out of them, which makes me really sad. But I picked up a few other really good items. The first item that I found is this little pumpkin guy with the big open mouth. I'm assuming you put candy inside of his mouth, but let's see, what does it say here? It says that it's an open mouth candy dish. So I thought that that was super cute. I bought the one last year that was the sugar skull with his mouth open, and so I'll just put those two together, and yeah, this guy was just so cute. He only cost $3. The next item that I got was this candle, and it looks like a pumpkin, but then it's just got the candle inside there. It says jack-o'-lantern, and it's a scented candle. It was also $3, and yeah, that's just what it says on the bottom, jack-o'-lantern scented candle. It does smell really good. We'll see if it has a good throw or not. But I figured when I was done with this would be something really cute to like maybe pot a little plant in, or put like a succulent or something. But yeah, for $3, I thought this was a really good deal as a candle, and then to reuse this when I'm finished with it. This next item was so cute. I'm gonna use this on my fireplace, and it just says October 31st, which of course is Halloween, and it's got the wooden frame around it. It's just, this is all that it is, and then on the back side you've got the thing that you can either hang it up or whatever. I'm not gonna hang it, I'm just gonna set it on my fireplace. But this was only $1, and it says that it's 1 count mini hanging sign, October 31st. So this was the only one that I saw in my store. Let me know in the comment section below if your store had any more of these and what they said on them, but this was the only one that I found. I thought that this next item was such a good deal. It's a pretty good size, you guys can see, and it's a light up ceramic figural. I swear that's what it says. I thought it would say figurine, but it says figural, whatever that is. But it's battery powered, so you can see here once I pull this little tab out, you can turn it on, and there's like a little LED light inside of there. But one reason that I loved this was it was only $3, which was insane. I figured they would make it at least $5, but during Halloween, I can put it this way, and when it's not Halloween any longer, I can just turn it around, and then it just looks like a stack of pumpkins. So I thought that this one was such a good deal for $3. These next two items might be my favorite finds that I found at the Target dollar spot, which is Bullseyes Playground. I actually found this one first, and it's the felt pumpkin. That it's just so cute, you guys. As you can see, it's made out of felt. Now I can tell it's not solid felt. I can tell that there's probably a foam piece inside there, but I love the things that look like they've been felted because I just think it's so cute with the wool. So yeah, I found this one first and thought it was really cute, and then I came around the corner after looking down one aisle, and I went back just because I thought, oh, I'll look through one more time, because I don't know about you guys, but my Target dollar spot is pretty messy. If things have been there for a while, people go crazy and go through them. But either somebody put this down when I walked back, or I missed it the first time. But it's the orange pumpkin, and it's bigger, as you can see, and it's felted also. It's so cute. I love this. This is my favorite pumpkin that I have. I have a ton of pumpkins, but this one is definitely my favorite. This one didn't have a tag on it, and they just scanned my other one twice. So that one was $1. I don't think this one would have been $1. I think this one would have at least been $3 to $5. So that's my guess on the felt pumpkin. I was super excited to find this little stand. It says that it's a cupcake stand, and they had the bigger ones that were $5, and I really wanted those, but I really didn't want to spend $5 on one of these little stands. I'm actually looking to get one of these to put my cleaning products on, like my hand soap or my dish soap or something like that by my sink, because I think that looks really cute. And a lot of other channels I've seen on YouTube, when they do their home tours, they've got these little stands holding those things. And I didn't want to pay the $5, but then I found this little one down below it, and it was only $1. So I think that that is such a good deal for this little stand for just $1. And it just says that it's a cupcake stand and that it's white. So $1, really good deal. I found this wood, it says it's a wooden ornament. Of course, I don't think I'll use it as an ornament. I'll probably just use it as kind of like a decorative piece, probably on my fireplace. But it's just this pumpkin, and the edges of it are orange, as you can see there, and then it's just solid wood. So it's just kind of a cute, like, farmhouse decor piece. They had the bigger, chunkier ones, and I bought one of those in the leaf, and I'll show you guys that here in a second. But these, the sizes are the same, they're just not as thick. And those other ones I think were like $3, and this one was just $1. So I was very excited to find this one because it was the last one my store had. A little tip, something that for me in my store at least, that I don't know if your store will be the same or not, but I went ahead and went and checked out some of the Halloween stuff back in the home decor section of Target, and they either put some of that dollar spot stuff out in the regular decor section, or somebody decided they didn't want some stuff and they put it back there. But when I went back there, I found a little shelf that was full of a lot of dollar spot stuff, and it was all stuff that I hadn't seen up front. So the first things that I found back there in the back that are from the dollar spot, I checked the tag, was these towels. They are adorable. It's got the witch's legs and everything. It says if the shoe fits. That print is just really, really cute. And it is a 2-pack. It comes with the striped as well. And these were only $3. So for 2 towels, and they are like, kind of like the high quality flour sack, that's a really, really good deal. So I found these in the back, not in the dollar section, but I could tell they came from the dollar section, and somebody put them back on the shelf in the back of my store. So same goes for this little sign here. I also found this in the back of my store, and there were not any left up front. And it's just these blocks that say trick or treat, and they're held together by this rope, and the rope is just a black rope, but this is going to be perfect on my fireplace for Halloween. This one was only $3, which again I think was such a good deal. It is called a tabletop sign trick or treat. And I did see on the Target website that they have 3 different designs in this. This was definitely my favorite design, so I was happy to find this one. I picked up some of these window clings for my classroom. These window clings say "Creep It Real." I'm like such a big fan of the creep thing. Like, I don't know. I bought some socks from the Dollar Tree, which if you haven't watched my Dollar Tree haul, definitely check that out. I'll be posting it either before or after this video. And I found some socks that say, I think they say something like creeping it real or something like that. But I love that creep. Like, I don't know, I love that saying for Halloween. So this one says creep it real. It is super cute. You can see it's got the skull. It also has the cauldron there. And I just really, really love these. Target had a lot of different sayings in these clings, so definitely check your store because there were a lot of options. My next items that I bought these for my work. I'm actually in charge of student council at my school, and we always host a teacher Halloween costume contest as well as a student costume contest. And when I came across these items, I had to get them. They are so cute and such a good deal. And I usually make the awards, but I thought this year these were too good to pass up. So I'll start with these. They're just like the little ribbon thingies. What are they called? Costume awards. So there's a first and there's a second. And the first just has a ghost on it and it says first place. And then this one has a cat on it and it says second place. But these are called costume awards ribbons. That's all they're called. But so I love those. I think they're super cute. Sorry for the glare since they're in a clear package. But yeah. I also picked up this costume awards sash. And I think it's adorable also. It's kind of got a spiderweb theme going on. But it says costume awards sash. That's what it's called. It was $1. I believe it says best costume. So I loved that. I thought it would be fun to whoever won that to give it to them and let them wear it for the last few hours of school, wear it around. And then the last thing that I got, there are 24 of these, which I thought was really great to hand out to the kids. And they're just costume awards. This one up front says most original costume. And then this one here in the back says most blank costume, so you can turn it into whatever you want to turn it into. The others are funniest costume, scariest costume, most colorful costume, and most creative costume. So I thought that those were really adorable. I know you're not going to be able to see that design there, but yeah, those are just so cute and I cannot wait to be able to hand these out. I think they're going to go over really well. So that was it for my Halloween items. Now I have some fall items and they have some really good like farmhouse fall decor in the Target dollar spot. And the first thing that I want to show you guys, I was pretty happy to find this because these are kind of costly and it's a pretty good size as you can see here. It's like bigger than my head, but it's just this wood crate. And it was actually only $3. I kind of expected to look at it and it to be $5, but it wasn't. You could always DIY this or leave it the way it is, maybe put some pumpkins in it or something. But I just thought this was really, really cute. And for $3, it's a good price. I actually put it back down and thought that's just a really good price. You should definitely get that. So I picked it back up and I bought it. So this is the wood block that I was telling you guys about earlier. You can see it's a lot thicker. It's got the glitter on the side, but this one was $3, but this will be perfect to set on my fireplace for fall. I just think that it is really cute, and for $3 and it being as big as it is, I think it's a pretty good deal. Speaking of good deals, I ended up buying these. I thought they were like trinket trays, but it says that they're appetizer plates, so I guess you could use them as plates, but they are shaped like pumpkins and it comes with a set of 2. They look very farmhouse. It says that they are dishwasher and microwave safe, so that's pretty cool. But they just have like the speckles on them, and so I bought these orange ones. And then I also bought these green ones. I believe my store also had white, but they had the white ones had some chips in them at my store, so I didn't end up buying those. But I did think they were really cute. I might, if I go back later and find some that aren't chipped, I might buy them. But I think these are such a great deal. They were $3 a piece and you get 2. So for $1.50 and great quality, they look farmhouse. Really good deal. Be on the lookout for these. Another candle. This one is ginger and pumpkin, and I am such a huge fan of ginger flavored stuff. I love, love, love ginger. And so I was like, I bet these are gonna smell really good. And it does. It really genuinely smells like a snickerdoodle pumpkin candle. Because you guys know, or not a snickerdoodle, but a ginger snap pumpkin candle. Yeah, pretty strongly. Like if you've ever had a ginger snap cookie, they're really gingery, but they also have that like pumpkin spice kind of a taste as well. That's what this candle smells, or yeah, that's what this candle smells like. And it was $3, and for the size it is, that's not really great, but the little jar that it's in is definitely reusable. It's speckly, as you can see. And so this can be reused for future purposes. So you've got your candle, but then you've got the reusable container as well. And my last item, I'm actually missing one of them out of it because I already took them out and I used them. but they are just these glass like wine cups, although you don't have to use them for wine, of course. I've been drinking water out of mine. But they say I love fall most of all, and I love that saying because I really do love the fall. And so both of the cups said the same saying. I want to say the other one said something like sweater weather or something like that, but my store did have some other sayings. These were only $3, you guys. Again, I expected to pick them up and then be $5 for 2 wine cups. I think $3 is such a great deal, and for the really cute saying, you just cannot beat this. All right, you guys, so that was my Target dollar spot / Bullseyes playground haul. I hope you guys saw something that you are interested in, and I really hope that you can go out and find it. I'm still on the lookout for those pillows. Let me know in the comment section, have you seen those pillows at your spot yet? My dollar spot still has not had them, or I've missed them, or they're out. I don't know. I've heard a lot of other people say their store hasn't gotten them yet. And then but I'm seeing a lot of people on YouTube hauling them as well. So if you find the pillows, let me know, or if you have or have not seen the pillows yet, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for sticking with me all the way until the end of the video. If you are not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.